tying down the trampoline. Julie so graciously put it together yesterday, and you know, if you don't get them tied down in the Oklahoma wind and storms, they'll end up somewhere in Rogers County. So one way I've found that works pretty good is to get these dog tie down anchors. Here's one of them. Has a little hook on the end, but you just screw those down in the ground, and surprisingly that holds it down really well. Then I take my strap and I strap it down here with my audience here. I just use just normal cheap ratchet straps because they're just going to sit out here all the time. There you go. That's not going anywhere.
So that's how to tie down your, how many do you put on?
Oh, I put 4 on this one, but it's because I was giving 4 of the anchors. So, yep, that's what we're doing.
Hopefully that helps somebody tie down their trampoline so it doesn't blow over in their neighbor's yard.